with an aim to eradicate drugs in the society in Maukerwad area and southwest Khasi Hills district. All pressure groups in the district, including the KSU, HYC, FKJGP, HITO and HANM, in collaboration with the village authority, the village defence parties Seng Samla Shnong and Seng Longme, today declared the formation of the Joint Action Committee on Social Organisation. Earlier, before declaring the formation of the JACSO, the village authorities of Maukerwad, along with pressure groups, conducted a surprise operation against illegal drug smugglers and illegal alcohol sellers. Later, Chairman of the JACSO, J.F. Yauknyao, Secretary JACSO Plosbor Karjarin, briefed the media about the objectives of the organisation.
Gidang kam lejeng Thailand jong kisang balang beberapa bagi kipai bara la fome ke Jacso hakadong rem da kajin sokya da kajin kitkle bat na sumbata ini kendat maka thong jong Jacso kalong ba nginale persia kijing sneu kam tamu rock kakiat kakalai